Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually appear offline in Discord for your friends, but you can still use Discord however you would like. Now, it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Discord application. Now, from there you want to sign in to your Discord account and go to the bottom left corner where your account appears. Now from there you simply press your profile name and here you see your status. Now as of now I'm invisible, but I can still use everything and even chat with people and call with people. How to do this? Whenever I'm online, here you can see I'm online, and if I want to be invisible, I can simply press this button and my account is invisible, as you can see right here. Now, what's also very handy, you can also do not disturb mode, so people know that you're busy, or you can use focus mode. In focus mode, you appear online, but it mutes Discord for 8, 3, 1, or 30 minutes or forever, so you don't get any annoying calls or notifications from Discord. It's easy as that. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.